So like I said, I was going to reassemble this board and test it, but here we go. It is powered and well assembled. Well, I haven't screwed everything up because I have to first confirm. Now what wasn't happening with this board was this button that allows you to make selections here between pre-warm, manual, baby, and everything, such that you can also set the skin temperature, set the temperature to which the machine is supposed to reference in order to achieve the skin temperature. Wasn't working, so that's why the command couldn't be sent to the heaters to heat up. There's a loose connection somewhere. I'll just fix this. Well, I haven't screwed them back well, that's why the machine is recognizing loose connections. But everything is now fine. Yeah, it's very okay. So I'm going to assemble it back, and just like that, I just saved 4M Uganda shillings because it's what they had quoted for me. So the supplier had quoted for me to purchase another board, a control board like this, to replace this, and I'm super excited. Also, what I missed out when I opened this board, it had some fluids, sort of oils, all over it, so I had to first clean that up. I tried using a sanitizer and a brush, that didn't work. So I had to go with this foam cleaner. It helped me clean the board up. Yeah.